She needed to get to Boston. Her grandmother was dying. She was also at the wrong terminal, visibly intoxicated, without a boarding pass she could locate, and interfering with the TSA screening process at Orlando International Airport. Every person who has ever missed a flight they needed to make knows the panic of that moment. What happens next is what made this a criminal case. This is proof on record.
What is it about? I need to go home to my grandma. She's been drinking too. Have your ID? Yes. Take my ID. Like I have not done shit to the motherfucking Americans. Watch your mouth. No. No? No. I didn't do any. I didn't swear at any of these. I've asked you, please do not use profanity. Cracker. Can we please just get me through the motherfucking line so I can get to my motherfucking flight? Are you paying for my flight when I miss it? Are you paying for my flight when I miss it? I need to catch my flight. Yo, my grandma needs me up north. No, my grandma needs me. I don't get time to play with you. Give me a second. I don't get time to play with you. I just want to go home to my grandma. Nikki. I ain't playing with you. Nikki. I ain't do nothing to you. I just want to get home to my grandma. You, my grandma, about to die while I'm in line with TSA. I just want to get home to my grandma.
My name's Officer Ryan.
No, I swear to God.
Listen to me.
Officer Ryan.
Ronnie.
Nikki about to be the last one you remember.
Nikki.
Let me out of the line. I just need to go home to my grandma. I'm not a terrorist. Check my shit.
Nikki.
You look like I got a bomb. I just want to get home to my grandma. What the f? Get me home. I just want to get home to my grandma. I'm not trying to bomb the airline. I'm not trying to transport drugs. I just want to see my grandma for the last time.
Are you gonna take a breath? Take a breath.
Yo, my grandma's dying as we speak.
Nikki.
My grandmother's dying.
Nikki.
You want me to take a breath?
Nikki.
Yo, I just want to go home and see my grandma. You're tripping. I haven't done anything wrong.
Do you want to go?
Deodorant. A toothbrush. What have I done wrong? My grandma dies on your watch, motherfucker. My grandma dies on your watch, motherfucker. Yo, I just want to see my grandma one last time. Ma'am, please.
Nikki.
Ma'am, please. My grandma is the only thing that means anything to me. Please help me.
What time does this plane leave?
We need to get you to get the boarding pass.
My grandma is a JetBlue.
Where are you headed?
Boston.
Going to Boston?
I just want to see my grandma.
Do you have your flight information?
Yeah.
So we can try to get you on that flight?
I just want to see my grandma one last time, please.
Okay, you're going to see her. Just take a breath for a
No,
second.
you don't understand how she's down.
We're working with you. My name's Officer Ronnie. I'm going to help you.
You're not working with me.
We are.
You're treating me like I don't know where it went.
Well, you need your flight stuff. Where's your flight
it was
stuff?
right.
Take your time.
Ooh.
How do you feel?
I don't feel good. I just need to go. One of my grandmas. No, don't play with me.
She's going to Boston.
Don't play with me. My flight was. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. My flight was right here. Y'all
Where's your
play with me.
paperwork,
I printed it out. It was in my purse. Y'all playing with me.
Nobody took her
y'all
flight
playing
stuff
with
yet?
me. Y'all playing with me for real. Don't
Is
play
it in
with me.
your thingy maybe?
Don't play with me. Open it up. Open it up. I have nothing to hide.
No, I'm asking you to find your flight stuff. I don't want to find anything. I'm trying so I can get you to Boston.
I didn't do anything.
You don't know where your stuff is for the flight?
No, I just had it. Look, my ID's there.
Get her away from here so we can figure out what's going on here. She's either signal 2.
He has my ID. He's holding my ID.
Her name's
Look at it. Look at my ID.
Stop talking, please. Stop. I don't want to hear
No,
no more.
my ID's in his hand.
Stop.
Nikki.
What problem do you guys have with her?
No problem.
If you don't go through that screening process, you can't fly.
I'm going through the screening process, but he's treating me like
Officers make contact while she is being pulled aside at the TSA line. She is distressed, emotional, and drinking has been noted immediately. She says she needs to get to her grandmother. Officers say they will help her get there. They ask for her flight information. She cannot produce it. She cannot find her boarding pass. She does not know where her printed confirmation is. While that is happening, she is interfering with the TSA screening process. That detail matters more than it sounds. The CT scanners used at airport security checkpoints are sophisticated devices that create a three-dimensional image of bag contents rotatable 360 degrees. They flag suspicious items for manual inspection. When a passenger becomes agitated, refuses to allow their belongings to be scanned, and behaves erratically at the checkpoint, TSA agents are trained to treat that as a security concern independent of whatever personal situation the passenger is dealing with. Uncooperative behavior at a security checkpoint is not just a customer service problem. It can trigger federal penalties under 49 U.S.C. 46503 covering interference with security screening. Officers are trying to help her catch her flight. She is making that impossible.
These in your hand.
Sweetie, where is your paperwork to fly?
No, my grandma's dying.
That's all right.
My grandma's dying as we
That's good.
speak.
I feel
Yeah,
bad.
that's
I'm
good.
sorry.
That's good.
You gotta
That's
act
good.
like a
Good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Stop
That's
crying.
good.
Where's your
That's
boarding
good.
pass? Where's your boarding
It was
pass?
right here.
It's not.
No, that ain't right. You have my fucking license in your hand.
Ma'am.
You need a boarding
Ma'am.
pass.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
You need to take a breath.
Do you want a statement signed that she's interrupting your thing?
Yo.
We'll lock her up, take her to jail.
Somebody's got to
My
let us know we can do that.
grandma's
For
dying.
disorderly.
My grandma's dying. Disorderly? No.
I can smell the alcohol in you from here.
The alcohol?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
He has my ID.
Yeah, but we're trying to figure out what we're going to do because you don't have a boarding pass.
I
You
have
need
a boarding pass. That's not true. I have a boarding pass.
Where's your boarding pass?
You got to give me your
You
stuff
got
to
a
fly,
boarding pass,
sweetie.
and you got to stop yelling.
But that's
But
not
you're
fair.
yelling.
Y'all been yelling at me.
Because you're screaming out. Listen, stop. Stop. I feel baby grandma's done. I don't want to hear about it anymore. Get your boarding pass and get good to go.
Before they tell you that they don't want you on the plane, as long as you can
They
show
don't
them your
want me on the
no,
plane?
as long as you can show your boarding pass. I've been asking
I've
for
been
10
trying,
minutes.
but
Then
y'all
you'll
been
get on the flight.
screaming at
Don't
me.
worry about it.
What airline you flying?
JetBlue. I just
JetBlue's not here. It's a different air. You got to go to a different terminal.
You're lying.
JetBlue hasn't flown here since October.
You're f***ing lying. You're playing. So I have to go to a whole nother terminal.
Yeah.
Can I get my license back to get over there? That's
If you want, we'll take over there. We're gonna walk you out. You're gonna walk out over here. You're gonna have to walk out here. We're gonna walk out. And get your plane. I know that. Stop. For 15, I understand that. But we're trying to help you out. So stop. JetBlue does not fly to this terminal.
They said terminal
No.
C.
This is A and B. This is A and B. This is not C.
Not near C.
Nowhere near C.
We're gonna help you if you just take a breath.
My grandma's gonna die while I'm seeing this.
Well, you should have thought about that.
You know what? You suck a dry, you son of a.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah, you suck your grandma's dry. So talk about my grandma.
Well, you're
suck
acting like a fool.
dry.
You're acting like a fool.
I'm acting
Because
like
you're
a fool.
drunk and you don't know where you're going.
I'm acting like a fool.
Yes, you are.
Suck your own grandma's
All right,
dry,
I
you
will.
evil son of a bitch.
You.
Yeah, suck a dry, you son of a bitch.
Get into the stuff, you
So
drunk.
talk about my grandma, you son of a.
I didn't talk about you.
Yeah,
You did.
talk about my
Mickey.
grandma.
Put your hand down. Put your hand down.
Ow! Okay, that's okay, but you're not gonna beat on me. Okay,
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Stop resisting.
Let go. Let go.
I'm
Stop
not
resisting.
You're breaking my arm. I'm not resisting.
Let go of your bag.
Take all your bag.
Let go of your bag.
Yo, what the f? You hit me. Yo, look it.
Get up.
Look at what they just did to me.
Get up.
Get up.
Yo, help.
Get up.
I'll get this.
I'm not doing any. No, that's my bag. Please pick my bag up. Mama, please pick my bag up. I bled. Look at what they just did to me. Mama, I need to go home to my grandma.
It's too late now. You blew that one.
Yo, you're flipping out on me for no reason. Yo, you're breaking my f***ing wrist. Stop.
283.
I haven't. Ow!
The cage
Ow! 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 I'm not doing anything. You're hurting me bad. Please let me pick up my purse. My ID's on the floor. No, please pick up my. Please pick up my ID.
We'll get it for you.
Please. My grandma. No, please just pick up my grandma. I didn't do anything to anybody. You stop hitting me.
We're not hitting you.
You're gonna stop being abusive. You're gonna stop being abusive.
Okay, you need to walk this way.
Yo, he's not gonna keep. You gotta loosen the cup. You gotta loosen this cup. It's cutting my circulation off. I can't breathe. You have to fix this. Please help me. It's too tight. It's too tight. Please.
Right here.
I'm bleeding everywhere. Please just help me. Please just help me. anything to you.
Stop.
I haven't done anything to
Quiet.
you. You're beating the shit out of me. You're beating the shit out of me. I've done
I
nothing
haven't done
to
anything
you.
to you.
You're throwing me
Let's go
around.
this way.
It's funny. You spit ass funny. You're not gonna keep breaking my arm. I've done
not
nothing
breaking your
wrong.
arm.
I've done nothing wrong.
Walk, Miss.
I've done nothing wrong.
Walk.
I've done nothing wrong.
Just walk.
What are you doing to me? Yo, I need a pee. Stop, though. You're not going to pull me in two different directions.
We're going one direction.
You're walking two separate directions. I didn't do anything to anybody. Why are you blanking on me?
Walk.
What are you talking about? I didn't do anything to anybody. I have blood all over me. Cracker. Yo, stop hurting me.
Walk.
You're not going to keep hurting me. You're not going to keep hurting me. I'm not resisting.
Walk.
I'm bleeding. You're hurting me. I'm bleeding all over myself. Ow! You're hurting me.
Turn around.
You're hurting me. I just need to see my grandma. He's hurting me on purpose. Stop him. Stop him.
Slide in.
I need my wallet.
I have everything in the bag. It's Officer Ronnie. It's right here.
That's not fair. I've done nothing wrong.
Slide in.
I paid $400 for a ride home.
Stop spitting on me.
1, 2, 3. Come on in.
Spitting on me.
Ow!
Thank you. There you go.
Oh, you cracker.
Yep.
Do you, I don't think they're gonna take that. Do you want me to take it? Do you want me to take it to,
That's insecure.
She still cannot produce a boarding pass. An officer smells alcohol. The disorderly conduct discussion starts. Then another problem surfaces. JetBlue does not fly from this terminal. She is in the wrong part of the airport entirely. Officers offer to walk her to the right terminal. She says they are lying. One officer makes a comment that crosses a line. The competitor noted it. Proof on record will say the same. He brought her grandmother into it in a way that was unnecessary and personal. That moment does not create legal liability, but it does matter. Officers are held to a standard of conduct that goes beyond just following procedure. How you carry yourself during a difficult encounter is part of the job. That was not a good moment. What happens next escalates fast. She becomes physical. Officers attempt to arrest her. She resists. She is taken to the ground. She later allegedly spits in an officer's face in the patrol car. She is charged with felony resisting with violence, felony battery on a law enforcement officer, and disorderly conduct. She paid $400 for a ticket she never used. She was at the wrong terminal. She could not find her boarding pass. She had been drinking, and she needed to see her grandmother. None of those facts change the charges, but they explain how a person ends up in handcuffs at an airport on what was already one of the worst days of their life. The officer who said what he said about her grandmother knows it too. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.